Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So finally the wait is over and now we will discuss about your BDL management trainee exam, how you can prepare for this exam, what will be expected exam date, and lots of things we will discuss in very much detail. If you are preparing seriously, then definitely this video will help you to crack BDL exam, right? The next thing is that I am ready for the third time to give the selection in BDL exam or BDL recruitment. As you know, in 21 also I give selection, 22 also, and this 23 recruitment definitely I am ready to give selection. Okay, so I will try my best to make it hat trick in BDL recruitment. Okay, and definitely from your side you will try your best to get into the merit list. Like for electronics there are 15 vacancies, mechanical so I guess 12, computer science 1, electrical 4. Okay, and for other branches also there are vacancies. So you try your best to come into the merit list. Okay, for your convenience I have divided our strategy video into two parts so that you can watch that video properly and then you can take 5 to 10 minutes of break and then you can continue the second part. Okay, so this is your part 1. Here it is written part 1, and part 2 link you will get in the comment section. So after this video, after part 1 you can watch part 2. Okay. Okay, so I want now that you should pay your 100% attention on this video. Just forget everything, how to prepare everything, whatever you are doing, your life problems. Just forget everything and just focus on BDL, because this is the golden opportunity you are getting third time in a row. So those who couldn't make it in 21, 22, now again third time you are getting the opportunity. Unfortunately, some of the students not eligible because of their age limit. So if you are giving this exam as your last attempt, so definitely prepare very seriously and very hard for this exam, right? The first question, very important, that when we can expect our exam. So this will help you to identify how much day you will get for your preparation. Okay, and lots of the activities are there for that, how much date you are getting. So your exam is currently expected in January month. Okay, in December there are less chances, so in January only they will take. If you will get extra time, if something happen, then it may go to February, March also, but we will take January as our target month. Okay, so here you can expect somewhere around 14 to 20. Now it's not like they will do in 14-20. Okay, it may be in this week also, in this week also, but still for our convenience we will take 14 to 20. Okay, so your exam you may expect in this date, right? Now the next question which is important, that so that we have October already, you have got lots of time to preparation, but still you have now October 7 days. Okay, November full month, December full month for your preparation. And yes, for to prepare for BDL exam, this months are enough. Okay, इतना enough है preparation करने के लिए, आराम से हो जाएगा. There is no problem in that, right? So now we will target, or we will try to complete our syllabus till 31st of December. Those who are new student, because now the thing is that 80% of the students are repeaters only. Okay, and I guess 20% are new students, those who are giving their first exam of life as a BDL exam. So yes, 20% are there and 80% are repeaters. So basically those who are new student, try to complete your syllabus till 31st of December. Okay, and then you can proceed like that. How to complete that, everything we will discuss, no need to worry for that. You are under authentic guidance, because on this channel I am providing consistent selection not only in BDL but also in all the PSUs, lots of PSUs and central government jobs. Okay, so no need to worry. Just main thing is that dedication should be there. If you are not dedicated for this exam, definitely this is time waste only. Okay, so this is the important thing. So till 31st we will try to complete the things, then revision, mock test vagara, that is important, right? Now before going to our strategy video, motivation. Okay, something should be there that will drive you for this 2 to 3 months to prepare hard for this BDL exam, so that when you will feel demotivated, obviously see, journey will be not like this. Okay, linear curve, it will be like this only, up downs will be there. It is not like daily you will study, something will happen, but in that low point, okay, here I want something that will motivate you. Okay, and these are the points which I will mention here. So you can just take the screenshot of this page or a screen, or you can note it down on your own page and just stick it around. Okay, so that it will be in front of you every day, every single day. That is most important. So first point, this is Miniratna PSU, and definitely BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited, currently it is doing well. Okay, currently lots of projects they are handling, and growth part as an organization they are growing also, and as an employee definitely you will grow in this. Okay, and in your start of the career, if you are joining Miniratna PSU, then it will definitely boost your career overall. Okay, so this is the first point, that in the start you are getting Miniratna PSU, you are not getting any central government job. Definitely you are getting, it is a government job only, but PSU. Okay, and definitely as compared to pure government job or central government job, PSU is best, I can say. Then second point, BDL. Okay, the only, now you know, those who know that I am guiding all the aspirant since from almost 10 years. Now I will complete 11 years in November. Okay, only one PSU, or there are very rare PSUs those who take care of the packages. Okay, because see, BDL, let me tell you the history of BDL if you don't know. Till 2017, the package was 7.3 only for management trainee. Okay, then they start recruiting in 2021 with the package of 10.5. In 2022 also the package was same 10.5, and now in 2023, means obviously you will get joining in 24, but you can see your package increased from 12.5, sorry, it's 12.2 I guess. Okay, so you can see that 7.3 to 10.5 means almost 3 lakhs they have increased in the year of 4 years. But now here you can see that from 2021, because they revised the package here, only in just 2 years they increased the package. How much? Almost you can say 1.8 or 2 lakhs, suppose 2 lakh, right? So this is the important thing, that they take care of your package also, salary also. Let me talk about the IT companies, TCS, Wipro. Their average hiring package is same as we compare in 2013-14, that range 3 to 4 or 4.5. Okay, so here you can see if you are starting your career specifically computer science and electronics guys, because for you majority of candidate goes into the IT sector where they start with 3 to 4 lakh package maximum. If you are good and your profile is good, you will get 4.5 and 5 lakh. Okay, in Bangalore and Mumbai I am talking about, means major cities, not in the rural areas or the other cities. Okay, but here you can see the history of BDL. So they take care of package, and I love this fact that it is the only PSU that revised the package, and you can see in this short period of time, right? So definitely this is the second most important point, that organization is growing but you are also going along with your organization. Okay, the third important point is that no negative marking. This is my favorite, and just remember one statement that I always float, that whenever there is no negative marking, your 30% pressure in exam will get reduced. Only 70% you to handle during your exam. Okay, so there is no negative marking. Directly you will solve all the questions you will get in BDL. 150 questions you will get, 150 questions you will solve, right? So this is the one, again, very good point. And the last, if you are watching this video, then you are under right guidance, and this platform, you know already, those who are already connected, you know that I am giving consistent selection. You can see here banners also. Okay, so your main thing is that you are under right guidance and you are on authentic platform. So this is also one of the motivation point, because by following this platform, my guidelines, under my guidance, I have your selections to this candidate. So the next will be definitely you. Okay, if you follow that seriously. So these are some motivation points that you can write down on a page and just stick it around, so that you can watch it later when you will feel low or when you will feel demotivated. Okay. Second, challenges. So definitely it is not like I am telling you all good things and you will get the selection and you will start working. Okay, definitely it is challenging part, because competition is there, vacancies are less. You can see 15 vacancies are there, and around 1000 2000 candidate will be there each branch. For mechanical definitely it will be little higher. Okay, for electronics 1000 2000 maximum I am telling. But again, for 15 vacancies, they are also good number, right? Because this 1000 to 2000 candidate are quality candidate, means they are serious candidate for their career. Okay, so don't take this competition lightly. It is not like there is no number of 50,000 60,000, so you can be relaxed. No, this 1000 also definitely it is a good number. Okay, for computer science one vacancy I can say 200 300 400 maximum candidate will be there, right? Now the main thing is that the only one challenge we have in BDL, that less time in exam. Okay, so you are getting only 2 hours, that is 120 minutes to attempt 150 questions, right? Now because of this thing, what will happen, that what mistake student do or aspirant do generally, that they can't select the proper questions. Okay, that question selection ability that you need to develop during your preparation phase. Okay, and definitely by following my MSP and everything, whatever guidelines I'm giving you, by following that you will develop that ability. Okay, so say this thing is only, and this challenge we can overcome with the help of our MSP. Already MSP is live, and in BDL our block 2 is going on. Okay, so those who didn't know about MSP, next video I will upload that what is MSP and everything. But Master Excel Pack you can join if you are preparing seriously for BDL. Currently we are in block 2, blockwise strategy is going on. Now you will say what is blockwise strategy. So that information you will get in MSP. Few things I will share in the next video about MSP. Okay. MSP is only for electrical, electronics and computer science student. If you are from mechanical, if you want specific success pack for that, okay, if there are majority of candidate, good number of candidate, then definitely I will think of that, because I don't have currently time. Lots of recruitments are there in December, January. So for that I am already occupied. Okay, but if you guys want, definitely I will try for it. Okay, I am not giving commitment for mechanical guys, and for other branches just follow my strategy video. Okay, so this is the only one challenge that you will face in your BDL recruitment, and that also you can overcome, right? Now I will discuss non-technical strategy first, which is common for all the branches. So for all the positions, management trainee position, non-technical syllabus is common. Okay, so first subject in non-technical you will study, that is your quant or aptitude, from which you will get total 20 questions. Okay, and for this 20 question, the first thing is syllabus. So syllabus is in front of you, what are the chapters and what are the things you need to read for the quant. सो परसेंटेज रेशियो ऐसे वेल सेम, ठीक है. प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट, नंबर सिस्टम, SICI, टाइम एंड वर्क, बोट एंड स्ट्रीम, पाइप सिस्टम, एवरेज, मेंसुरेशन, 2D 3D, time distance, ages, trigonometry, height, distance, permutation, combination, probability, partnership and inequality, ठीक है. And now the probability part is already included in your engineering mathematics, because you know engineering mathematics is also there, but still I have included in quant also, okay. So if you want, you can remove this also, right. So in an average you can take that total 15 chapters, we need to read in quant. Okay, now you will say, sir, give me just few names of the chapter which are very important for this, because this is the general question or general message I receive daily from the student. So see, for BDL, okay, they can give any number of chapters, any number of questions in this 20. It is not like the fixed question they will ask, okay. So don't take it that like that, but still few chapters are fixed, like basic knowledge of percentage ratio and average. Now those who are new student, for you guys I am telling you, because those who are repeaters you already know and you already covered majority of things in quant, so already you know, right. But those who are new student preparing for first time, you start with percentage ratio and average, okay. Then you can move to profit loss discount, which is most important for your BDL. Time and distance you can take, okay. The next thing you can take boat and stream, time and work, pipe system. Then you can go for SI and CI, simple interest, compound interest. After that you can go for mensuration, 2D and 3D, okay. Then ages, trigonometry, height and distance, permutation, combination and probability, partnership, and last inequality, okay. Now inequality basically it comes under reasoning. By mistake I have added in quant, okay. Just understood this point, otherwise you will tell, sir, don't know, but it is not like that, okay. So these are the things that total 15 chapters you will do in this sequence for new candidates specifically, and 20 questions you will get. There is no negative marking, I already told this thing, right. Now the strategy for quant, that how you can prepare well for this syllabus, right. So now see, I have two types of student again, new student and repeaters. So basically first thing, there are these three stages, basic stages in your whole preparation journey, okay. तीन stages रहते हैं हमेशा. First is concept building phase, then stage 2 I can say stage or phase, confidence building, and third is exam level practice, okay. So now first stage is concept building. So first make sure that your concepts are good for all the chapters that I show, okay. For that any book you can use, whatever book you are referring, that you can use, no problem in that. I prefer RS Agrawal. If you have RS Agrawal, you can use that. Grab the concept, practice questions, that's it, okay. Those who are repeaters, definitely you will make sure that whatever chapters are pending, first do that, and then you can just revise the things, okay. Then the confidence building stage, where you will revise and practice the questions. Now for confidence building, RS Agrawal you can use for practice, okay. Enough questions are there. If you join MSP, those who are MSP student, because this is the video common for both candidate, MSP also and non-MSP also. So only block-wise strategy is there, just follow that, okay. No need to follow any other thing. Our block-wise strategy is there, just you can follow that, okay. And for repeaters also, those who are already MSP student, directly take the block-wise strategy, revise the concept and take block-wise sheets, right. Then Telegram PDF. So daily you are getting Telegram PDF, okay. So that Telegram PDF you will use. Now just make sure one thing, that those who did not join Telegram channel yet, you can join Telegram channel. In the comment section you are getting the link of Telegram, join that, okay. In each of the Telegram link or PDF, you will get hashtag BDL. The meaning is that whenever you will see hashtag BDL, that means that PDF you will use for your BDL exam, okay. You will solve the questions from that PDF, because in our channel we target multiple recruitments. So for your convenience, I have added this thing, that hashtag BDL I will write on the PDF, which are which are important for your BDL exam, okay. And those who are MSP aspirant, definitely first priority always your block-wise strategy, and if you want extra, then you can go for Telegram PDF, right. Now one more chapter is there, okay, which I don't write in your syllabus, but probability is very less that they will ask, but still if they will ask, then you should ready for that, and that is your data interpretation, okay. So DI also very important, but again no special practice is required for DI or special preparation I can say, okay. If you go through percentage ratio and average, definitely you can solve DI, no problem in that, okay. Now in your Telegram you are getting 3 PDFs for your aptitude. First is aptitude, second is assignment, daily aptitude assignment, okay, and third you are getting DI, daily DI. So compulsory practice one DI each day, okay. So daily you will practice DI, then assignment and aptitude you can practice, okay. If you are MSP aspirant, block-wise strategy, after that you can go for this, okay. Second priority will be this, right, okay. And the last stage is your exam level practice. So here again block-wise strategy, which will give you enough idea about your exam level practice, about exam level pattern, everything, okay. Lots of things you will learn from block-wise strategy. And second, our powerful mock test which acts as a question bank also. Okay, so mock test definitely will follow, and whatever questions I will add in that mock test, definitely I will you revise, right? So these are the 3 stages for your exam. Now again, it is not like that compulsory you can join my mock test, you can join any platform mock test. Just make sure that you are joining authentic mock test, okay? Because there are lots of people who just copy paste the question and make the mock test. It will not help you, okay? Because if you choose the wrong mock test, then definitely you will score less mark in your exam, and because of which you will suffer and you will lose this opportunity. So while selecting the platform, it's most important that whether that platform is genuine, authentic, and actually they want your selection or not, or they just want their business, okay? They just keep telling you buy my thing, buy my course, buy my course, okay? Take this coupon code, buy my course. If they are telling in the video 1000 times, then definitely stay away from that, okay? So this is most important. Okay, so this is the strategy for quant. Now lots of things which I have discussed, okay, that will remain same for other technical non-technical things. So let's move to second, that you will read reasoning. Now in reasoning, basically you will getting total 15 questions, okay? And for these 15 questions, how many chapters you need to read? Total 15, okay? So 15 chapters you need to read. Now simplification I have added there, okay? It was the part in aptitude, instead of inequality I have added there, okay? So these 15 chapters you will read for your reasoning part: coding, decoding, classification, blood relation, direction test, number series, counting figure, missing figure, means non-analytical part, non-verbal reasoning, okay? Ranking and seating arrangement part, analogy and simplifications, okay? So these are the 15 chapters you will read for your reasoning part. Now we will discuss strategy for reasoning. So again, for concept building, any book you can use where you will get all the chapters, okay? Again, I will prefer R.S. Agarwal for that. If you have any other book, then definitely you can take that, okay? Specifically for new student I am talking about. Then for practice, R.S. Agarwal you can use, or our Telegram PDF compulsory you will use. Now for your reasoning section, there are 2 Telegram PDF you are getting daily. First is your reasoning PDF, where you are getting 10 questions daily, that you will practice compulsory. Specifically number series question, coding, decoding, analogy, lots of practice is required, okay, for this type of questions. So daily at least practice the questions. One more query you may get, that suppose if you didn't join Telegram channel yet, okay, then how much you should study now? Means you should refer previous PDF or not? So answer is no, okay? If you are joining Telegram channel today, then whatever PDFs you are getting from today, just try for that, because last you can't do lots of things are there, okay? You will feel overburdened and you will skip this part, okay? That I don't want. So start from today. The simple thing is that, right? I hope you're getting the things. So R.S. Agarwal Telegram PDF. If you join MSP, then no need for any other book. Our Blockwise strategy is enough for that, okay? So you can use that. Then external practice, Blockwise strategy again, and mock test, final mock test, which is important. For repeaters, again revise the things and directly start with our sheet or any other practice book if you didn't join MSP. But still, if you are serious, then I will recommend you join MSP, okay? And Telegram PDF compulsory for MSP aspirant. First priority again Blockwise strategy, second priority your Telegram PDF, okay? And last mock test will be there, that you will practice for your exam level practice, right? So like this you will prepare for your reasoning part, which having 15 marks of weightage. And the last part you have, that is your English, from which also you will get 15 marks. So like this, total 50 marks you will get from non-technical section, which is common for all the branches, right? So now this 15, what is the syllabus for English? So first is grammar, okay? Now see, here I wrote this grammar part, so under which lots of questions are, lots of concepts they will check, like sentence improvement, sentence correction, error detection, error correction, fillers, okay? Then indirect speech, direct speech, then your this active voice, passive voice, lots of things are there, they will check under this, okay? Then vocab. Now under vocab, what questions you will get? Synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases, and spelling check. These are the 5 things you will get, okay? Then comprehension possibilities there, so that, and again no special preparation is required for comprehension. Close test and parajumble. So these are the 5 chapters for me for English part, okay? From which you can expect 3 to 5 questions from vocab, synonym, antonym, idiom, phrases, and spell check, okay? From here you can expect 6 to 7 questions like that, okay? So it will be around 12, and other questions you will get from this part, okay? The remaining questions like 9 to 15, 9 to 12, so 10 to 5, means 5 to 6 questions you can expect from this, okay? Comprehension, close test or parajumble, it depends on BDL, that what they are giving, right? So this thing will be there. Now for English, what you will prepare and how you will prepare, okay? So again, any book you can take for the new student specifically, just make sure that all the grammar should be there, okay? All the grammar should be there. Now in your MSP, those who are MSP aspirant, so already video lectures are there that I am giving you, and ebook is also there, okay? Now if you are new student, if you want to join this ebook for English, then you can join that, okay? In your application you will get this ebook, so you can separately purchase also. It is a part of MSP. If you are purchasing, then means if you are purchasing MSP, then obviously I am giving in that only, okay? But separately also you can purchase ebook, okay? So videos are there. First you can prefer the videos. Okay, if you are very much poor in English language, then watch the videos. Okay, and otherwise you can directly watch or read the ebook. From that ebook, revise all the grammars, practice the question. That's it. Okay. For repeaters, all the things you should revise compulsory and directly take our block wise strategy. Okay. So practice also for confidence building. Any book you can refer, no problem in that. Our block wise strategy is there for MSP aspirant. Okay, those who join MSP, block wise strategy is there. You will read that. Telegram PDF is there. Hold on this thing. Okay. For repeaters also, directly block wise strategy, MSP is there. Okay, and Telegram PDF you will use for exam level. Our mock test and block wise strategy is enough. Now for English, basically you are getting 2 Telegram PDF, which is most important. Okay, and both have different purpose. So first PDF you are getting daily English, and second PDF you are getting English assignment. Okay, just listen carefully now. So now see, again I will repeat that those who join MSP, okay, your first priority should be block wise strategy, and along with that you will refer this PDF also. Okay, and second priority you will do for English assignment, right? So basically what we are doing in your block wise strategy, I will cover all the things: grammar, comprehension, paragraph, close test. Okay, and in this PDF, the one in English, you will get synonym, antonym, phrases, idiom, and spell check. Okay, these are the things you will get in that. And whenever you are reading synonym, antonym, okay, just read it carefully, because one word is given, and from that you will get total 4 synonym, suppose 4 antonym. So read that also. Okay, because it is not like that in your exam they will ask this. They may ask out of this for any synonym. Okay, and answer will be this. So like that also possibilities there. So read everything carefully. As you know, there are lots of words and lots of things are there that you can't remember. So whatever I am giving you in Telegram PDF daily, daily you do that. ठीक है, डेली करना है, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. डेली आपको करना ही है टेलीग्राम पीडीएफ. ठीक है, इफ यू वांट a good score in your English part, because I told you that 3 to 5 questions you will get from this part, vocab, which is most important, right? So yes, you will practice from your English PDF, and then English assignment is there from which you can practice other part, grammar वगैरह. That part you can practice from English assignment. ठीक है, so like this you will prepare for your non-technical preparation or non-technical part for your BDL exam for all the branches again. Okay, so this is all about your part 1 for your BDL exam preparation strategy video. Part 2 link you will get in the comment box. Okay, just take that, click on the link and watch part 2. If you have any other query, any other doubt in part 1, you can comment down below this video. I will definitely help you in that. MSP, that is Master Chef Pack, available for electrical, electronics and computer science. You will get link in the comment section. You can join that if you are preparing seriously. Okay, in part 2 definitely now we will discuss technical things and few general things also I will discuss in your part 2. I will meet you in part 2. Let's start this.